Hi guys, welcome to the second video of cloud penetration testing. So in this video we're going to talk about passive penetration test, passive reconnaissance. So this part will be, next 5 videos will be about reconnaissance, and I'll start with passive reconnaissance. Passive reconnaissance is a kind of reconnaissance by which you are not going to hit your client or your target directly. You're going to use some other methods or other third party applications to find information about your target. This is what passive reconnaissance means. So when you talk about passive reconnaissance, few tools and OSINT tools comes in the picture. And what do you need to find about your target? That's the major thing. So we'll focus on few things first. For example, what do you need to find about your target? Okay, you need to find subdomains. How many subdomains are there? Okay, and to wider your scope, how many sister companies that particular domain have. For example, if you talk about facebook.com have workspace also, have different kind of sister companies also with different domains. So these all will come under scope. Now the next thing is subdomain enumeration. Next thing what you're going to do, find all the subdomains of a particular target. For example, facebook.com or xyz.com, any target, and find out the information, more information about that particular target. Okay. So what tools we are going to use for these things? First, I definitely recommend Shodan, Census, and then different OSINT tool we can use after that. And yeah, what we are going to find in this, we are talking about cloud penetration testing, right? Now we need to narrow down our scope. We will find ample amount of information about this particular target, like some will be garbage value, but in this information, the bundle of information, we will definitely find some asset values also. So we need to figure out which is that particular asset value. We will find this in our next video, how to find out from all of these bundle, like thousands and thousands of subdomain lists, how we can find out this particular IP address or this particular subdomain will be our target, will be hosted on some cloud. How are we going to find that? We'll see that in our next video. But in this video, we're talking about passive reconnaissance. Now, how are you going to find out more information about your target? I'll show something here. Okay. Shodan, best way to find information about your target. Okay. For example, abc.com, whatever it is, put it here, try to find out whatever you can find out from this particular website. This is a very good tool. Then after that, there is one thing called this Grey Hat Warfare, this website, to find out AWS S3 bucket, AWS S3 bucket of your target. Okay. For example, you can write anything you want. You can write a company's name. You can write a company's name, and after that, uh, what, like regular expression, right? You can type down words, and you will find out the results below. So what I wrote here is password and .txt file. Okay, I want give me the AWS S3 buckets which contains password and txt file, right? So what it does is, see, it gave me backup certificate passwords, product where data, gear, motors, products, PDF, 2D drawing password, this. So password of all kind of thing. If I write down one more thing here, PRO production, let's see what we can find in password and production at the same time. Nothing. Let's remove password and let's see what we can find now. So okay, production data.txt. So this is critical, right? AWS S3 bundle info production.txt, production robots.txt. This won't be too much, I think. Let's see what it is. This information won't, so see, blank, right? So yeah, 0.0 bytes. So could have stupid. Okay. Then next is autumn design product manager, SM model. This DB production DB.text, what it is. Production this, okay. So see, this is how you recon about your target, right? So find out as much as possible details about your target and put it somewhere, like make a note, put somewhere at one place, and try to we will find out how to understand this all this particular information and use it for our own good. Okay, let's do that. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. A lot is coming. Bye. Take care.